Hi everyone, so today's video is for the Spookier Sweet collab, and this is week 3, and we are to do an altered 3D project, and there are 10 collaborators to host. I'll leave everybody linked down below in the description box, and then come back on the 29th for our last video in this collaboration, and it is Crafter's Choice, and we post these videos at 9 a.m. Eastern time. So I'm going to show you guys what I put together here, and here it is. So I took a Dollar Tree box, and it had a llama on top, but I painted it all black. And then I took some of the Dollar Tree moss from the floral section, and I put that on the bottom. And then this is a Dollar Tree little wooden piece that they're selling this year, and I just went ahead and I painted that. I did the rooftop in a metallic silver, did some black and white splatter on there, and then I have these tombstones and this little creepy guy right here. I got those off of Amazon, and I just lightly brushed some black and metallic paint. I kind of mixed it together and just smushed it on there. And on him, after I painted it, I rubbed it off with my fingers. So my hands were all black, but I washed it off. So there is my little 3D project right here. So I think it's really cool because now there's like a use for the box. I think it's a really cute piece too because it ended up being really cheap. It was, you know, the $1.25 for the box, $1.25 for the moss, $1.25 for the little house, and then there's a lot of other pieces to these from Amazon. I think it was like 32 pieces because it actually came with like a little church that I wanted to use. But what I wanted to do, my original thought was to do like a pumpkin that was hollow and then put that little church inside and make it like a graveyard around that church instead of a pumpkin. But I couldn't find a pumpkin that was already hollowed out. Michael's used to sell them every year, and for some reason they didn't have it this year, or at least not when I went. So that kind of made me pivot off of my original plan. So I still used some of these pieces, so I still have a bunch of tombstones left. I have one more of these guys, and then I still have that little like churchy building that I could use for something else. At this point, I'm probably going to be done with like Halloween crafting other than what I got to do for next week, and then I could just save it for next year. So this was really fun because I didn't do as much Halloween crafting this year as I had anticipated, and being sick for the last week just really messed everything up for me. I had so many more plans, and that just kind of all went down the drain. So thank you guys so much for bearing with me. I super appreciate you guys. You guys are all so amazing and supportive, and we'll just see you next week for this collaboration. And go check out everybody else in the description box and go see what they went ahead and made. But let's see. Oh yeah, you can kind of see it if I lay it down. So there's my little masterpiece. I was kind of thinking about doing ribbon around the edge, but I kind of like the creepier look. I also wanted to put like little like figures like peeping through the windows, but everything I could find off the hand right now was like cutesy. I didn't want to go cutesy. I kind of wanted to go for like dark and grim, so I'm like, I'd rather just leave it like this. Because I think it's still cool anyways. It's, you know, definitely a little bit darker. I should have, or I could still go back and kind of paint the moss. There is different colors of moss in here, but I think maybe a little bit of brown just to like kind of dirty it up a little bit would have been really cool. So I might go back and do that, but other than that, I think I'm going to leave it as is. I think I'm not going to put any ribbon around the edge, and I'm just going to leave it how it is, other than maybe adding some paint. So that's my little project share for today. Thank you guys. We'll see you later. Bye guys.